Mga sisi ko, welcome back to my new vlog. Sunday nga pala ngayon. Dahil na-board kami ng asawa ko, gagala kami. Diyan lang kami sa likod ng South Park. Wait, buksan natin yung gate. Here you go. See, itatapon din namin yung basura.
Okay.
Ang purpose talaga lang ng tapon ng basura. Kasi 3 days kami hindi nakalabas. Pero ngayon, dahil magtatapon din kami ng basura, maggala na rin kami. Ang bilis ng asawa ko, iniwan ako.
I think it will be enough.
Alright, that's good. Because you left me.
I just need to
Ayaw niya kasing patulong. I told you I'm gonna help you to bring the bag. But you don't want it.
don't worry about it.
Why?
Just open the door.
Alright.
Take your hand like this.
That's good. I forgot. Let's go, my darling.
It's okay.
Okay.
I'll just run out to throw it on.
I-close ko to. Nakakahiya sa susunod. Magtatapon kami ng basura muna. Tapos, punta na kami sa pupuntahan namin. Siko, malapit lang kami sa South Park. As you can see, hi there. Dito yung apartment na tinitirahan namin. Tapos, dito kami mag-shortcut. Papuntang South Park.
Yeah.
Ito mga sisi ko. Yes.
Okay.
10 minutes walking away, right?
To the park?
Yeah.
Yeah, 10, 15. Something depends on the pace. With this pace that we are going, probably 10.
Yeah. Mga sisi ko. Ito yung shortcut na palagi kong dinadaanan. Kasi mas madali siya. Yes. Tapos sa likod dyan mga sisi ko. Ito yung hospital or clinic.
This is
Emergency
medical
room.
center, like emergency. When you go, when you're feeling too bad, something like that. It's private.
Ayan. I forgot my eyeglasses. Tapos ito sa likod, ito naman yung school ng high school. Mahal ko, I forgot my eyeglasses.
What can I do? I can't see.
Nothing. I'm sorry.
Do you mean you cannot see?
And here.
From here, you can buy milk products, but you don't like them, so
The fresh milk.
yeah, well, fresh milk, sour milk, everything.
It's close.
Yeah, it's close.
Here. Ayan ang mga sisi ko. Malapit na kami. 5 minutes walk.
5 minutes?
5 minutes walking. 6 minutes.
I don't know. I didn't count. But
Kaya maganda dito sa street namin kasi malapit sa lahat. Ayan, may mga small market din dito. Pero mahal kasi mga bilihin dito eh. Kaya hindi kami bumibili sa mga ganyang store. Mismo bumibili kami sa supermarket o kaya sa wet market.
honestly.
Tapos ayan mga sisi ko. Yung Fantastico.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Supermarket yan. Yung ibang business para pag Saturday, Sunday sarado. Kasi 'di ba sa Pilipinas mga sisi ko, kapag Sabado, Linggo, yung mga business open. Pero dito, Saturday, Sunday close sila. Right, mahal ko?
I thought
Some of other business.
close on the weekends.
Yeah,
Yeah. But this pharmacy in particular, against Fantastico, is all
open.
night, 24/7. So if you need something, you can always go there.
That's good.
It says 24/7. I never tried it, right? But probably it's like open.
Ayan mga sisi ko, another children's park.
Yeah. There are a lot of them.
Yes, it's a lot here. Ang cute ng bata. Mainit ngayon ah. Време то ли? Хубаво?
Хубаво ли е времето?
Да? Не.
Хубаво е, да. Горещо.
Горещо?
Топло.
Топло?
Топло.
И студено?
No, it's not cold.
A little bit.
Well, it's not cold, Malcolm. It's so hot.
Alright. Just on me. Remember, I'm Asian. I'm Filipina.
Yeah.
That's why.
It's not bad buildings to live, right?
Yes. Tapos may mga restaurant din dito, coffee shop
Well,
over there.
it's like a bar.
Yeah.
I think it's a shisha bar. Like smoking bar.
Andito na kami mga sisi ko. Ayan, nakikita nyo yan. Ayan yung South Park. Dahil na boring na kami ng asawa
Malcolm, do you
ko.
want pizza for home?
Yeah, please, let's eat pizza. And maybe just ice cream stick. It's good also.
You can take one contact on the way back if you want. Or now if you want. Oh, we need to cross, I forgot.
Yes, we just need to cross by. It's already green, mahal ko.
No. It's green for the cars.
Ah, it's for the cars, it's
Yes,
not
yes,
for
yes.
the
We
people.
watched the other one with the walking person. No.
Ah, here. Yeah.
We watched for the walking person.
Yeah.
So this is the bus stop you take the...
Yes, the 7.
This is the bus stop that you're taking the bus from 96?
Yeah. No, it's
Okay, let's
96,
go.
number 7. Surely.
97, you said 70, 72?
7.
7. I thought it's 72.
Surely number 7.
I thought it's 72.
Oh, you're wrong.
Go which road do you want to take?
Here, just go straight.
Straight?
Yes. Maganda dito mag-picnic mga sisi ko. Right, mahal ko?
Right, what?
Picnic.
Picnic?
Yeah.
Here, no.
It's no.
No, maybe deep in the woodlands.
Yeah, I mean. In general. Cool. Ayan. Wala dito yung ice cream mga sisi ko. Ayan. Titimbangin siya. Ito may puno ng apple. O, nakakita ako. Kanina, puno ng chestnut, ngayon apple. Ayan. Hilaw pa siya. Mataas din siya mga sisi ko. Ayan. Green na green ang bunga niya. At saka maliit pa. Yan lang, share ko lang.